Okay, so what day is it? I think it's day 8 of the room 8 renovation. So this is the current situation in this room. So I've already painted all the walls and placed the picture frame on that side of the window. By the way, this one is a faux window. This used to be a real window, however it was sealed because there's another room behind it. But anyway, so this is now a faux window, and I'm gonna place their clothes hanging bar. Excuse my hands or fingers. There's a rugby stain. Anyway, so this is how it looks like right now. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish everything else, linoleum flooring wise. So yeah, I could have used vinyl tiles. However, if I did that, that would mean the rent would also be expensive. So it could be difficult to find tenants if that's the case. So anyway, so this is a budget-friendly pocket room, if I may say so myself. So anyway, this is how it looks like. Tomorrow, maybe I could put the bed back here because I already painted it white last week, or maybe the last time. Okay, enough about that. So I'm gonna close this room up because the other tenants are coming home already, so I wouldn't want to disturb them because of the smell and the pounding, because I might need to hammer or use a hammer for the clothes bar on that side. So obviously this is a very, very old house, probably a 70-year-old house. The owner actually is dead. He died last March 20th of this year. Bless him. But anyway, he was such a great owner. So yeah, business is still usual. Life has to go on, but yeah. Alright, so tomorrow I'll post another video on the renovation update. See ya.